Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Modicon EdgeIO training. I'm your host, Leandro Mala, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can connect the Modicon M221 with the Modicon EdgeIO over Modbus TCP. So let's go to the software. So what I'm going to do now is to connect to the Modicon EdgeIO that I have already configured with a different IP address with this one. And it has already a configuration. I got this one, okay, but I got into my configuration the NIM, I got the power supply, and I have digital input and digital output. Those are the two things that I have with me. So if we go back here online, you can see I have these two. I have online, you can see here I have your device is not working. Okay, that should be okay, but okay. So what we need, first going offline on the island management. Once you configure the IP address, okay, you just need to select the protocol Modbus TCP if you're going to use the M221, okay, because the Modicon M221 doesn't support as devices as an adapter over Ethernet IP, okay. Then on the island setup, you need to enable the Modbus TCP edit settings and enable this. By default, it's disabled, so you need to do it. Once you have done that, you just build configuration, okay, and then just download. Okay, proceed, configuration load, and that's it. Okay. The other thing that you need is to check, once you have defined all the different IOs, is this inputs and outputs. These are the amount of registers that you need to read and write from the master, in this case the M221, in order to access to this information. Okay, so if we open the M221 software, I'm going to connect to this one and upload information. Okay, and I'm going to disconnect. There we go. So configuration, the Ethernet part, Modbus TCP. Enable the Modbus TCP scanner. I'm going to add the IP address of the IO 12. It's a generic one. There is no EdgeIO device for the moment for the M221. I don't think that we're going to have, but this is how you can do. Otherwise, you can use the bus coupler, the entry bus coupler for this. Okay, here device is going to be my EdgeIO. Here, in your request, nothing on the channels. Here we just need to add my IOs. Here we need to use this one, multiple readings. Cycle offset is going to be, I forgot the number, 5391. I'm going to use 7, offset 0, I'm going to read through. Okay, this information over here. Part of the information, you have this. What does it mean? Okay, so now I'm going to go back here. Okay, apply. I have over here tools, network, input register. I have this information, which is my IOs. We can assign a name and everything. I believe here is going to be the outputs. Edge outputs based on this. I believe it's going to be lower byte. I believe it should be that one. Otherwise we can change that. apply. Then for the input, it should be one of these. We're gonna check it. So I'm gonna log in and see how it works. Download, overwrite, and see what happened. Okay, so in the programming, I'm going to create a new animation table. Table EdgeIO. Here, I'm going to add percentage IWM 307. You can see that I'm reading something. And edge output. Up. Okay, so binary. No. We'll look at this one. Binary. I believe it is this one. So I got this connected to the item. So if I press one of these buttons, you should be able to see that how it changed, and the lights change also too in this one. Ahí está. There we go. Now, if I want to turn this on, binary, I don't know which one's going to be. Let's turn everything in one. Decimal 2.5. Let's turn it on. Okay. I think it's this one. I don't know which one it is. I don't want to guess right now. But that's why I put everything intro using the 255. Okay. So the idea is for you to see that we can integrate Modicon EdgeIO with the Modicon EdgeIO with the Modicon M221. Okay, as a generic device. As you can see, it's very easy and straightforward. But again, if you're using the M221, if you want to have additional AIOs, then the best would be to use the entry bus coupler, because it's already defined there. Oh, sorry, that's not right. Here, it's already defined for you to add it and do something if you want it. It's already integrated. It's gonna be much easier. It's very straightforward to add all the T entries over the drag and drop rather than the other one. Okay, but it's possible to do it. So this is how you can integrate the M221 with the Modicon EdgeIO as a two-part device for distributed I/O. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.